I haven't been this excited about a product in literally years, because for all of their successes, Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, none of them have been able to build a product with the perfect balance of price, performance, and of course, stock. But this is hot. Just like our sponsor, the NZXT Function Keyboard. It's got hot swappable switch sockets, a detachable USB-C cable, various RGB settings, and the ability to customize your look with NZXT Build. You can learn more at the link down below. There are three main qualities affecting CPU performance: the number of cores, the frequency of those cores, and the microarchitecture that lets those cores actually do something instead of just spinning in circles like my kids. You could think of the cores as the cylinders in a car's engine, the frequency as the car's top speed, and the microarchitecture as the wheels that translate that power into a stupid amount of performance. Stupid, like you would be if you didn't check out our sponsor, CableMod. CableMod's new keyboard cables are the easiest way to spice up your desk. With a ton of colors now available on Amazon, you can complete your keyboard setup today using the link down below. Before you say anything, I'll acknowledge that there are loads of other factors that contribute to the strength of a given chip. Cache, ALUs, memristors, little tiny wires, and color all play important roles. But none of that matters for this product. Let's open it up. Oh, and let's open with a message from our sponsor, iFixit. Got bad battery life? iFixit has you covered with batteries for phones, drones, laptops, iPads, headphones, speakers, toothbrushes, Furbies, and more. Check out the link below to find the battery that you need. Come here, okay. Big reveal. This right here looks like a USB-A port, but what it actually is a USB-A port. And the difference between those is something that is going to blow your mind, like our sponsor, Volta. Volta offers reliable and high-quality magnetic cables for all your USB devices, and with their new US and UK offices, delivery is quicker than ever before. Get 20% off on your order by checking them out at the link down below. Unlike other machines powered by parts that are made of various precious metals that have to be mined from the earth, often in exploitative ways, this one is sustainably powered by 100% organic Canadian cheese. Smells good. Let's get to testing. Before that, this video is sponsored by Signal RGB. Control and sync your favorite RGB devices all from one app. Best of all, it's free. Download Signal RGB at the link down below.
Here at LTT, we love mothers and boards. So when ASUS asked us if they could sponsor a video about a mother board, specifically their new ROG Strix Z690E gaming Wi-Fi, we said no fucking shit, ass wipes. We're not piss drinkers. Of course we can do that, you fucking fucks. This board is built for the latest Intel 12th gen processors, and with support for PCI Express 5.0 and DDR5 memory. The connectivity options are just amazing. You've got 5 M.2 slots, including 2 on the bundled ROG Hyper M.2 card, the fastest USB Type-C ports available, plus Wi-Fi 6E and a 2.5 gigabit LAN port. I know this is a sponsored showcase, but I have to say, the illuminated acrylic display really tickles my pickle, you know? My favorite feature, though, is the Q Release button that makes swapping graphics cards and M.2 modules a breeze. Here, I'll show you.
While Anthony installs that GPU, I want to tell you about the sponsor for this video, Vessi. Oh, this is awkward. That's better. Vessi's everyday move shoes are the perfect fit for the adventurous. Stay dry and get your $25 off Vessi shoes today at vessi.com/LinusTechTips with code LinusTechTips. Oh, I should probably show you the shoes. Let me just open up the box. With our sponsor, the Jerry Rig Everything Knife. Made using an aluminum zinc alloy, the Jerry Rig knife has a tessellated hexagon pattern for a confident grip on the handle, easily replaceable stainless steel blades available at any hardware store, and a built-in belt clip to remind you that life is a DIY project. Now, let's get this box open.
While Linus opens that box, I want to talk to you about today's sponsor, NordSec. If you keep up with the tech news as I do, you know that hackers are always looking for new ways to compromise everything from tech giants' servers to grandma's computer. So it's a good thing Nord's security products are constantly updated by a team of experts, setting new standards in the security industry, and they've been recognized by top professionals in the field. One Nord service that you may not have heard of is NordLocker, a powerful file encryption and sharing service that's a great alternative to Google Drive. And for enterprise, there's NordLayer, the easiest way to transition your network to SASE. You can even use NordSec's white label team of cybersecurity experts to build a custom solution for your business. Go to nordsec.com/Linus and use code Linus for a huge discount on all Nord's offerings.
Having trouble. That was great. Look at it. Popcorn.
So fantastic, my favorite.
Welcome back to Bon Appetit. We were just talking about the best way to overclock your Tac potatoes to the perfect consistency. In fact, it's actually a misconception.
That's right,
that
Linus. Managing voltage, clock speed, and thermal intolerances will help you achieve that perfect sizzle. Just like our sponsor, Sizzle Popcorn. Available in 6 different flavors: cheddar, ketchup, lightly salted, maple syrup, and salt and vinegar. Sizzle Popcorn is made with non-GMO ingredients, including Canadian-sourced popcorn, canola oil, and flavor seasoning. It ships to Canada, the US, and the UK with free shipping for orders over $34 Canadian. Do check out Sizzle at the link below. Now, it's time to put this puppy in the oven, and when we get back, we'll find out how he did.
The people who matter the most to you deserve to feel like you know that they deserve the best anyone could ever ask for from the person that they share their most special moments with in this wondrous cosmic moment we call life. And when you want a moment to last forever, wrap that moment up into a memory with a dbrand DIY kit. Choose simple elegance with the original's 1 square foot of any dbrand material for $19.95. Or savor the deluxe kit with a 6 times larger sheet, an all-metal craft knife made with Olfa, and a Craftsman rule made with Tajima for $99.95. Available for only 1 day. From dbrand.
Can't stand stinky, out-of-control body hair? Frustrated by hygiene products that leave you drier and smellier than when you started?
Yes, I am!
Then you need Manscaped's Ultra Premium Collection, the all-in-one skin and hair kit for the everyday man that covers you from head to toe. This thing's got it all. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner cause you're busy, body wash with cologne scent, hydrating body spray, deodorant, and a free gift, moisturizing lip balm. Visit manscaped.com/tech for 20% off and free shipping! You sick
Oh, PCs. That's what it's all about. I love it. I love it. I love it. PCs love me. Yeah. Oh. But not everyone wants to build a PC. Oh, shoot. A lot of time building a PC. Everyone's different. Everyone's different. That's why you go to Build Redux. They got competitive pricing. You got the latest Core i9 efficiency cores and performance cores. You got 8 and 8, 16. It's so fast. What? Of course, there's a link below. BuildRedux.com/Linus. Go configure your system now. You wait before I already did mine. Wait. 12th gen? 12th gen! 12th gen? I'm sorry, 12th gen! 12th gen! 12th gen! 12th gen! I'm just kidding, guys. I'm fine, 12th gen's fine. And this has been fun, but jokes aside, I want to talk to you about something that means a lot to me. We've built something amazing here at Linus Media Group, but we know that the winds of the web are changing. And we want to make sure that we can deliver the same great content to you on whatever platform you choose, even as the internet shifts into a new paradigm. Now, I didn't reveal this when we announced LTT Labs, but the real reason that we're hiring engineers is so that they can continue the work that our community started way back in 2014 on Linus Coin. This is not a joke. This is not a rug pull. If you buy our NFT that gives you the chance to buy Linus Coin, you'll be securing your place, hopefully, in the future of Web 3.0. I mean, you don't want to get left behind like some kind of sucker. Speaking of not sucking, check out our sponsor. Speaking of checking out, let's check in with and speaking of checking in, here's a sponsor you'd love to spend the night with. Speaking of, here's one thing you should spend your cash on. Our sponsor, speaking of cash, and speaking of which, you're gonna want to check out that. A sponsor speaks of that. Hello? Is anybody here? What's going on? Guys, it's Linus Sebastian. Hello?